this is where the march set off. This is where they have the monument where the march set off. So I suppose it's the best place to hold this activity, this event, in commemorate the 90th anniversary of the end of the Long March.
It was very interesting. It was a very pleasant walk, which must be very different from the experience that the Red Army had. But it's good to see the type of terrain that they had to deal with. And you wonder how it was possible to carry heavy weapons, artillery, along these narrow paths.
Something I learned on the history books, now I'm experiencing it in person. I am really excited about it.
The spirit of the Long March is very, very important. It is a spirit of resilience and perseverance and overcoming impossible odds. It's the human will, the will to move on and move forward for a vision of a brighter future.
When they were walking here, they were seeking for victory. Something like for the good future. That's why they had to cross these hard ways to go through.
The Long March took place 90 years ago, and China has changed a lot in these times. It's a new era, but China still faces the same challenges. It requires people who are committed, people who are idealistic, people who have beliefs in what they're trying to do. And this and the development of Yudu are good examples of that.
我们生活很好，我们环境很好。 我们这个生活水平提高了，钱的这更多，收入增加了。
This, you can live in history. You can see there's history right here, there's modern development right here.
Everyone is working hard. They start their day with going to their work and taking their kids to the school. So I think it's also a kind of long march for everyone.